Email Encryption Standards Comparison Chart. In a world where sensitive information zips through our inboxes daily, from crucial business contracts to personal health updates, knowing your email is secure is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. When you start looking into email encryption, you quickly run into many techie terms and different standards. It can feel like trying to choose a car when you barely understand how an engine works. Don't be afraid. This video is your friendly guide designed to simplify these choices. We'll break down the most common email encryption standards and give you a straightforward comparison chart, helping you understand which digital lock is right for your messages. Email encryption standards, your digital locksmiths. Think of email encryption standards as blueprints for building secure digital email locks. Each has its own strengths and ideal uses. We'll focus on the most prevalent ones you're likely to encounter. MIME, Secure/Multipurpose Internet Mail Extensions. What it is? This is a widely adopted standard, supported by most major email clients like Outlook, Apple Mail, Thunderbird. It uses digital certificates, like digital ID cards, to both encrypt your email content and digitally sign your messages. Analogy: imagine sending a letter in a physically sealed, tamper-proof envelope, and on the outside, it has your personal, unforgeable wax seal that proves you sent it. PGP, pretty good privacy. What it is? PGP is a powerful and very popular encryption program/standard, often favored by individuals and organizations who want strong, end-to-end privacy and authentication. It's known for its robust security and flexible use. Analogy: think of PGP as a sophisticated, military-grade padlock and signature system you can add to any message, regardless of the envelope type. Office 365 Message Encryption, OME. What it is? This is Microsoft's cloud-based encryption service, designed for users within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. It's particularly user-friendly for sending encrypted messages to anyone, even if they don't have their encryption set up. Analogy: imagine sending your letter in a special, secure vault that automatically creates a temporary viewing window for the recipient, no matter what kind of mailbox they have. Transport Layer Security, TLS. What it is? While not encrypting the email content end-to-end, TLS is crucial. It encrypts the connection between your email client and server, and between email servers as the message travels. It's the standard encryption for most web traffic, like when you see https:// in your browser. Analogy: this is like sending your letter inside an armored truck. The truck is secure, but the letter inside the truck is still in a regular, unsealed envelope. It protects transit, not the letter's final state. Comparison chart, a quick glance at the options. Alright, real talk, email encryption. Not the most exciting topic in the world until you realize your emails are flying around the internet like postcards anyone can read. Yikes! So today we're breaking down 4 major ways to not get hacked by Greg in accounting. MIME, PGP, Office 365 Message Encryption, TLS. Let's get into it. Okay, so how do these things actually encrypt your emails? MIME and PGP are basically the encryption nerds of the group. They use a combo of public and private keys. That's the asymmetric part, and a shared secret for the actual message. That's symmetric. OME, Microsoft's version, is a little more chill. It encrypts the message with symmetric keys and just wraps that key in some public-private magic. TLS, though? It's like, look, I won't touch your email, I'll just build a secure tunnel for it to travel through. So yeah, your email's safe on the way, but once it gets there, it's free to party. Now let's talk keys, and no, not house keys. I'm talking cryptographic keys. MIME says, get a certificate from a certified certificate authority. Super official. Bureaucratic vibes. PGP is more like, here, make your own keys. Keep one, share the other. Be your own boss. It's DIY encryption. OME goes, don't worry, we got this. Microsoft handles it all behind the scenes like a butler that encrypts your mail. And TLS? It's your IT department's problem. Set it and forget it. Compatibility time. MIME is already built into most email apps. Outlook, Apple Mail, Thunderbird. If your boss uses it, you're probably stuck with it. PGP is more complicated. You'll need plugins or extra software. But hey, it works across pretty much anything. OME works best in the Microsoft 365 bubble, but can send encrypted mail to pretty much anyone. Even your grandma. TLS? If your email doesn't support TLS in 2025, you might be sending emails from a toaster. Now, what kind of protection are we talking? MIME and PGP offer the full superhero package. End-to-end encryption, digital signatures, authenticity, integrity, and non-repudiation. Basically, nobody can read it, change it, or pretend they didn't send it. OME lets you send encrypted emails and even revoke them. It's like Gmail undo send, but real. TLS? It just keeps your message safe while it's in transit. Like bubble wrap for your email. Once it's delivered, anyone can open it. So, how easy is it to use these? MIME needs you to manage certificates, which is code for you're gonna Google a lot. PGP? Get ready to learn about keyrings, fingerprint verification, and why your encrypted cat meme won't open. OME is smooth as sender clicks a button, recipient uses a portal. Done. TLS is already working in the background like your Wi-Fi router. You don't touch it, you don't think about it, and honestly, you probably forgot it existed. So who actually uses this stuff? MIME is big in the corporate world, banks, lawyers, anyone who likes wearing suits on Zoom. PGP is for privacy purists, think journalists, whistleblowers, or that one friend who refuses to use Google anything. OME is for Microsoft users who want to encrypt stuff without reading a 50-page setup guide. TLS? That's everyone. If you're emailing, you're using TLS, whether you like it or not. So yeah, email encryption can be confusing, but it doesn't have to be boring. Whether you're guarding state secrets or just hiding your Spotify Wrapped from coworkers, there's a method for you. Smash that like button if this helped, hit subscribe for more nerdy but fun breakdowns, and tell us in the comments which encryption style you trust with your inbox. Or just type PGP rules in all caps. We'll know what you mean. Detailed comparison, diving deeper into each standard. Let's unpack each standard a bit more, looking at its pros, cons, and ideal scenarios. MIME secure multi-purpose internet mail extensions. Advantages: widely supported natively in popular email clients, strong authentication, you know who sent it, ensures message integrity, it hasn't been tampered with, and provides non-repudiation, the sender can't deny sending it. Good for internal corporate communication. Disadvantages: requires managing digital certificates, obtaining, installing, renewing. And both sender and recipient need to have it configured and exchange public keys. It can be cumbersome for communicating with external parties who aren't set up. Use cases: businesses that need strong identity verification and encryption for communication between employees or with regular partners who also use MIME. Interoperability: good among MIME compliant clients, but requires recipient setup. Security considerations: relies on the trustworthiness of the certificate authority, CA, and secure private key management. PGP, pretty good privacy. Advantages: extremely strong encryption, highly customizable, open source variations available, like GNU-PG, offers excellent end-to-end security and digital signatures. Disadvantages: steeper learning curve for non-technical users, requires third-party software/plugins for most email clients. Key management is manual, relying on web of trust. Use cases: journalists, activists, privacy advocates, or anyone needing very high assurance personal or highly sensitive communication where control over keys is paramount. Interoperability: strong among PGP users but requires all parties to use PGP-compatible software. Security considerations: users' secure key management is critical. Office 365 Message Encryption, OME. Advantages: extremely easy to use for the sender, often just a click, highly compatible with any recipient email address. They get a link to a secure web portal and integrated seamlessly with Microsoft 365. No recipient certificate required. Disadvantages: Microsoft manages the keys, meaning Microsoft could, theoretically, access the messages if compelled by law. The recipient has to go to a web portal to view, which can be less convenient than direct inbox decryption. Use cases: businesses within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem need to send encrypted emails to external clients, partners, or customers without hassle. Interoperability: excellent as it works regardless of the recipient's email provider. Security considerations: relies on trust in Microsoft's security infrastructure and adherence to data privacy regulations. Transport layer security, TLS. Advantages: automatic and ubiquitous. It's the baseline for secure internet communication, providing encryption for data in transit. Improves general email security. Disadvantages: not end-to-end for the email content. Once the email arrives at the recipient's server, it's decrypted and can be read by the server administrators. Doesn't provide sender authentication or message integrity. Use cases: every email sent via modern mail servers benefits from TLS. It's essential for preventing passive eavesdropping. Interoperability: universal among modern email systems. Security considerations: protects during transit but not at rest or from the email provider's view. Best practices: choosing and using your encryption wisely. With these options, how do you pick the right one for your needs? Assessing organizational needs. What kind of data are you sending? Highly sensitive? Just confidential? General communication? Who are your recipients? Internal staff? External clients? General public? What's your budget and technical capability for management? Do you have dedicated IT staff for complex setups? Evaluating compatibility and interoperability. Do your chosen solutions work seamlessly with your existing email client, e.g., Outlook, Gmail, custom solutions? Can you easily send encrypted messages to all your necessary recipients, regardless of their email service? Ensuring key management and security. No matter the standard, securing your private keys is paramount. If a private key is compromised, the encryption is useless. Understand how your chosen standard manages keys, whether it's through CAs, personal keyrings, or a cloud provider like Microsoft. Navigating the world of email encryption standards might seem daunting at first, but understanding their core differences empowers you to make informed decisions for your digital security. As of June 10, 2025, from simple TLS safeguarding transit to the robust end-to-end privacy of MIME and PGP and the user-friendly approach of OMI, there's a solution for almost every need. Your choice should align with the sensitivity of your communications, the technical comfort of your users, and the specific regulatory requirements you face. By wisely selecting and implementing the right email encryption standard, you're not just scrambling messages, you're building a stronger, more private, and more trustworthy communication channel for yourself and your organization. Choose wisely, encrypt diligently, and send with confidence. Enhancing email security with comparison charts. Grasping how to encrypt emails on your devices, including the fundamental role of public and private keys in securing your messages, is merely the initial step. True digital security comes from consistently applying these actions, transforming individual secure messages into a reliable system of protection. To help you integrate these practices, particularly when comparing email encryption standards using a chart, we offer our free security checklist. This practical guide provides tips and examples for implementing private communication across all your devices. If you're still uncertain about the best tools or methods, our privacy experts are available for a free consultation to clarify your options and recommend the most suitable fit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.